How to download and install DeepSeek R1 locally. Introduction. DeepSeek R1 is a powerful AI assistant that you can run completely on your local machine. This guide will walk you through downloading and installing DeepSeek R1, ensuring a fully private and secure setup. By following these steps, you can run DeepSeek R1 locally without depending on cloud services. Step 1. Download and install Ollama. What is Ollama? Ollama is a tool that allows you to run large language models on your local machine. It is necessary for running DeepSeek R1. Steps to install Ollama. 1. Go to the Ollama website. Open your web browser and visit the Ollama website https://ollama.com/. 2. Download Ollama. Click on the Download button. 3. Run the installer. Once downloaded, launch the Ollama setup file. 4. Complete the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Step 2. Download DeepSeek R1 model. Finding the DeepSeek R1 model. 1. Go back to the Ollama website. 2. Search for DeepSeek R1 in the model search bar. 3. Select DeepSeek R1 model. If you cannot find it, type DeepSeek in the search box, and you should see it listed. Choosing the right model parameters. DeepSeek R1 offers different model sizes based on the number of parameters. 7 billion parameters, 7B, recommended for most users. Larger parameter models requires a more powerful PC. For general users, the 7B model is the best option as it balances performance and hardware requirements. Step 3. Running DeepSeek R1 in command prompt. Steps to run DeepSeek R1. 1. Copy the run command. On the Ollama website, a command will be provided to run DeepSeek R1. It looks something like this. Shish. Ollama run DeepSeek R1. 2. Open command prompt. Press Win+R, type CMD, and hit enter. 3. Paste the command. Right-click in the command prompt and select Paste. 4. Run the command. Press Enter to start downloading and running DeepSeek R1. 5. Wait for the download to complete. The system will download the required files and prepare the model. 6. Start interacting with DeepSeek R1. Once the installation is complete, you can start chatting with the AI. Example interaction. Shish. You. Hi, who are you? DeepSeek R1. I am DeepSeek R1, an AI assistant. Restarting DeepSeek R1. To restart DeepSeek R1 after closing the command prompt, simply reopen command prompt and run the same command. To exit, press Ctrl+D. Step 4. Installing anything LLM for a better user interface. Why use anything LLM? Running DeepSeek R1 in a command line interface is not user-friendly. Anything LLM provides a graphical interface to enhance your experience. Steps to install Anything LLM. 1. Download Anything LLM. Visit the Anything LLM website https://anythingllm.com/. Select the version for your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. 2. Run the installer. If you see a security warning, click More Info, and then Run anyway. 3. Choose Installation Preferences. Select Only for me, or For all users. Click Install, and wait for the installation to complete. 4. Launch Anything LLM. Once installed, open the program and click Get Started. Step 5. Configuring Anything LLM for DeepSeek R1. Connecting Ollama to Anything LLM. 1. Select Ollama as the preferred model provider. 2. Scroll down to see the installed models. Choose the latest DeepSeek R1 model, e.g., 7B. 3. Click Next, and complete the setup process. Customizing Anything LLM. Change the theme. Go to Settings greater than Customization, and select a dark theme if you prefer. Start a new chat. Click New Thread to begin a new conversation. Upload documents. Attach files for AI-assisted processing. Adjust text size. Modify the font size for better readability. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Teach Learn School, and hit the bell icon and get daily notification for more updates.